everyone. Hello, guys. I want to let you know that I'm going to let the Joneses give a testimonial for the workshop on Saturday, and also we had our official meeting today with them. So I want them to give their testimonial and let you know, and let you guys know how they enjoyed it and what did they get from it, and some of the things that they need to let me know that I need to do to improve the next time. So here it goes. This is their testimonial.
Hello, I'm Charity Jones,
I'm Anthony Jones.
and we have to say that we enjoyed meeting with Sandy. She was very informational. We're trying to start our business at this time, so we're at ground one. And she has showed us the 21 steps that we need to get to where we want to be. I feel like she's very informational. She's beautiful, has a beautiful spirit, and she's thorough with what she's saying. We requested some information like paperwork that we can follow step by step, and she was willing to give us that. I personally think she's a great person to help you get started with your business.
Yes, piggyback on what my wife has stated is that yes.
Yeah. Me. Come on.
Yes, it's informational. There are so many things as far as launching a business that we did not know that we have picked up from Sandy. It has been real informative. So now we can take this information and go and see what we can do with it. Also, maybe some steps about working on Sandy could be just keeping it straightforward. We would like to add some handouts to follow along, but she will give that to us in an email. So that does help. So, but her spirit is great. Anything that she can answer, she will stop and answer your questions. And so far, we have had our questions answered.
Thank you. Anything else y'all want to say?
And we, from both of us, we would like to thank you for your services and look forward to working with you again.
Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone, that's the testimonial from the Launch Your Business in 21 Days workshop, and also our official meeting. So you see, guys, I won't bite. I am not mean. No, I don't have that issue with my clients. But anyway, thank you guys for your testimonial. And the Joneses, let me say this about them. They beautiful spirit, and they really, I just love them working together as a couple. So some of you that's going to see this, y'all need to take notes from them, because they are really working together, and it's a beautiful thing. So they are the ones that's going to create their legacy for their children already. Yeah, they're working on legacy building, and that's what it's like. See, you guys see what strong black couples look like. Okay, look at them.